Hey guys, thanks for coming to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a full breakfast using my Cuisinart Belgian waffle maker. You can make it morning, noon, night, midnight, anytime you want. So let's get started. But first, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified when I create a new video. Like and share this video, it really helps out the channel. Now let's get into the recipe. So I'm going to use a couple of Yukon Gold potatoes that we're going to peel and shred. We're going to use the large shred and the medium or the smaller shred for the second potato. And the reason why I'm using the small shred or the medium shred for one of the potatoes is that when they mix together, you get kind of the interlacing shreds between the small and the large. And it kind of fills in all the gaps. It makes it a little bit more crispy and a little bit more filled. So I'm just gonna get the shred and get it into some cold water to kind of rinse it off. I'm gonna just get all the water out. And we'll get these into the bowl. So as you can see, they're nice and fluffy and dry. To ensure that they stay dry and again, get them nice and crispy, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of cornstarch. And I'm just going to use a fork to kind of make sure all the little strands are coated. So I've got some granulated garlic, maybe about half a teaspoon, about a half a teaspoon of onion powder, about a tablespoon of grated cheese, some black pepper, and some salt. Just going to give this a toss. I've got my waffle iron at temperature right now. I've got the green light. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to add some olive oil, just so I get that nice fried texture of a hash brown. I've also got 2 sausage links that I took the casing off and flattened them out into patties, because this is breakfast for 2. So 2 sausage patties, some hash browns, and some eggs, all in the Cuisinart Belgian waffle maker. So I got that on the high temperature. We got a little steam there. And to ensure that nothing really sticks, I'm going to give it a little brushing of oil here, just to kind of make sure that everything pulls out. So I'm going to get the sausage patty on one end here, make sure it's all inside. Then I'm going to get some of this, about half of the shredded potatoes on the other side, about the same height, so they kind of do their thing and work together. And I'm pressing them in here so they form a nice triangle pie shape. Close the waffle iron, give it a nice press, hold it down for a second here so we get the nice lines and crispy blocks. And then we're going to let it cook until we get the green light there. Make sure the sausage is fully cooked and the hash browns are nice and crispy. I'll bring you back when those come out. All right, so the buzzer went off. Let's take a look. So I'm gonna pull out the sausage links here. The potatoes, I'm gonna let them sit in there for a little bit longer. I like them nice and crispy. You can see the bottom. Get the egg into one of these slots here. Nice and easy so I don't break it. That and this one. All right. I'm going to finish cooking the eggs with the top open because it's only going to take a few minutes because the bottom is really, really hot. I do like the sunny side up with the runny yolk. So once that's done, I'm going to pull that out, get it on my dish. You can see the egg. It's actually nice and cooked. It's not too runny. Hash brown, nice and crispy. But we're going to pull it out very, very gently. So let's take out the hash brown. Here, and we can see the bottom. Here, get the hash brown on here. You can see the sausage, fully cooked. All right, so we're just going to pull this off here. Get that on the dish. The only tip I would have is when you're cooking the sausage, about halfway through, dab out the oil, otherwise you'll have a whole lot of oil down there. So you get the egg on the top there, the sausage, the hash brown, and a waffle all made out of the waffle maker, so you can hear the crunch. There's the hash brown, all cooked perfectly and crispy. Breakfast anytime. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when I put out some new videos. Check out that video next. And again, I thank you for watching and sticking around with us, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.